It's Game 2 of the Eastern Conference quarterfinal.
These fans are pumped and they expect nothing less than the best from the Mighty Ducks of Anaheim. And the Tampa Bay Lightning advances the puck. Pala grabs the puck. Kucherov out over the blue line. In over the line. Kucherov with a wrist shot. The Exa with the puck.
Line 3. Line 2.
McGinn. Ryan Getzlaf grabbed it over the blue line. Getzlaf shoots the puck. Bishop stoned him. Rattle, quick shot. Bishop stones him. Silverberg intercepts the pass. Rattle jumps on the loose puck. Gets the shot off. Oh, he missed. Namestnikov gets hold of the puck. In the corner. Fired it. Anderson gets a leg on it. Anderson intercepts the pass. Gardner knocks him off the puck. Boyle jumped off by Tampa.
Line 3, get up there.
Vatanen. Namestnikov pushes Gardner. Bishop gets a pad on it.
How about that save? That was unbelievable.
Anaheim puts its scoring line out. Henson takes possession of the puck. McGinn steals the pass. Strawman gets pushed off the puck. Johnson. Tampa scooped it up. Anderson made the leg save. Fowler with the puck. Taylor Johnson. Anderson gets the blocker on it. Callahan. Garrison gets checked. Coburn grabs the puck. Coburn. Pala gets it. Kucherov now has it. Shoved. Played up.
Line 2.
Centered. Into the attacking zone. Rattle gets the loose puck. Wrist shot. Stemkos gets checked. He grabs the puck. Vatanen shoots it quickly. Stemkos gets it. Lindholm. Vatanen in control now. Perrin. Boyle takes possession. Vatanen runs over Kucherov. That's offside. Boyle won the faceoff. Moved up. Big save by Anderson.
Gets his pad in the way.
Hackett. Played up. Shoots quickly. Blocked. Perrin jumps on the loose puck. Right in front. Shoots the puck. Boyle jumps on it. Brings it out. Advances the puck. Taylor Johnson gets muscled off the puck. Tampa has it now. Anderson denied him. Garrison takes possession of the puck. Anderson stoned him cold. McGinn finds the loose puck. Gets flattened.
Some contact on the play that time.
With a wrist shot. Bishop denies him.
This man is equally at ease making saves with his gloves or his pads.
Rolonek shoves Fowler. Fowler gets the loose puck. Coburn. The first is now over. Anaheim is looking for the tiebreaker.
The simple thing to do is fire it at the goalie. Get your guys to drive to the net.
Welcome back to what's been a close game so far.
Let's see if the second period can shake things up a bit.
Vatanen gets hold of the puck. Kessler, Tampa with it now. And out they come with a puck. Kucherov. Rattle pushes him.
Caught him with a good one there.
Kucherov. Anaheim needs to be making a line change soon. Schuster scoops up the loose puck. Kucherov gets crushed. Stralman takes control of the puck. Wrist shot. Anderson gets a pad on it. Kucherov with the puck. He gets crushed. Rattle with a wrist shot. Stralman stops the shot. Rolonek jumps on the loose puck. Folder pushes Killorn. Shoots the puck. Anderson, great save. Killorn takes control of the puck. Callahan gets checked. Stralman finds the loose puck. Coburn, the Lightning go offside. Tampa gets a hold of it. Paquette corrals it. Fires! Anaheim picks it up. Cogliano intercepts it in the neutral zone. Centers it. Cogliano knocks the puck loose.
Got him napping.
Anaheim grabbed it. Boyle. Menson shoves him. It's off the post. Center. The Lightning come in offside. The faceoff goes to Anaheim. Advances the puck. Over the blue line. Harry scoops up the loose puck. Shoots! Bischoff made the pad save. Schuster with the puck. Bischoff hangs on for the whistle. The ref is signaling for the faceoff. Coburn intercepts the puck. Kessler gets it. Shot it. Bischoff stoned him. Bischoff freezes the puck. The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. This man is terrific at the draw.
Oh, you've got to love his anticipation in the circle. It's like a sixth sense.
Namestnikov knocks him off the puck. Grabbed by Anaheim. In the corner, Perrin. Bischoff closed the door. Bischoff hangs on for the whistle. Killorn is an inspired passer.
And once he's in the zone, that ability can kickstart their offense.
Lindholm takes control of the puck. Rattle. Bischoff stabs at it.
Great save with the glove hand.
Tampa wins the race and beats out the icing call. Anaheim got it. Getzlaf. Getzlaf takes it. Callahan. Over the line. Muscled off the puck.
And he lands the check.
Anaheim puts its checking line out. Passed ahead. Working along the perimeter. Bischoff intercepts the puck. Tampa grabs it. Paquette. Hedman has it now.
Wrist shot turned away. What a save off the blocker.
Brian Getzlaf. He takes possession of the puck. Cogliano shoves Vilpuda. Deadplay scoops up the loose puck. Vilpuda pushes him. He jumps on the loose puck. Backhand shot. Bischoff. Great save. Bischoff hangs on for the whistle. The action's about to start. Played up. Moved ahead. Killorn takes possession of the puck. Quick shot. Anderson closes the door. Cogliano picks up the puck from Anderson. Gardner has it. Anderson intercepts the pass. Advances the puck. Works over Stewart. Killorn gets hold of the puck. It's time for the third period.
Jim, look for some big hits as both teams try to shake things up.
Across. Quick pass up into the attacking zone. Menson gets the loose puck. Dead play. Got it. Perrin. Fouled by Anaheim. Brings it in. Karen. Bishop gets a pad on it.
The shot looked good, but the save was even better.
Fires it. Bishop gets a pad on it. Karen pushes Paquette. Brings it out. Moved ahead. Stewart knocks the puck loose. Menson finds it. Stemkos. Tampa gobbles it up. Kucherov gets pushed. Stemkos takes possession of the puck. Anderson denied him. Steven Stemkos scoops up the loose puck. Steven Stemkos. Pala jumps on it. Anderson stabbed at it. Stemkos with the puck. Shoots! Anderson denies him. Fury. Over the line with a wrist shot. Bishop made the save. Move back. Rips the shot. Bishop slams the door shut. Bishop freezes the puck. Taylor Johnson gets loud. Scooped it up. McGean gets checked. Vilpura gets hold of the puck. McGean. Grabbed by Anaheim.
Line 3!
Turned over in the neutral zone. Vilpura finds the loose puck. McGean dumps it. Anaheim grabbed it. Vatanen Tampa picks it up. Harrison gets hit. Passed ahead. Up along the boards. Rolling it. Leg save.
Definitely a big stop from the keeper.
Wrist shot blocked. Strahlman with the puck. Karen. He gets shoved.
Jim, he never saw it coming.
Paquette gets hold of the puck. Into the attacking zone with a wrist shot blocked. Quick pass up.
Line 1! Right!
Passed across. Icing called against Tampa. They're getting ready for the faceoff. Hit slap, wins the draw. McGean gets the puck. Bishop has had a lot of help keeping the puck out.
Well, if he gets the shutout, he may want to take his entire defense out to dinner.
Anderson hasn't faced a lot of shots.
That can actually be harder on a goalie. Most of them like a lot of action. It keeps them alert and in the game.
Anderson scores!
How are you going to stop a shot like that? The puck came off his stick so fast, the goalie had no time to react.
Even Stemko assisted.
Played up. Redmond takes control of the puck. Out of their defensive end. Callahan gets rubbed off the puck. Johnson. In over the line. He scoops up the loose puck. Johnson, wrist shot. Anaheim got it. Kessler with a wrist shot. Blocked. Callahan scoops up the loose puck. Killorn. Killorn gets a hold of it. Shoots it quickly. Anderson denied him. Namestnikov knocks him off the puck. Grabbed by Tampa. In behind. Bishop has had a good game so far.
He hasn't faced a ton of shots, but he's definitely taking care of business.
Anaheim pulls the goalie and is going to gamble on the extra attacker.
Gutsy move by the coach, but it could backfire in a big way.
Moved up. Moved ahead. Namestnikov takes possession of the puck. Depre. Stewart. Depre. Pala gets in the way. Brings it out. Quick pass up. Wrist shot. Empty netter. And that goal will secure the game.
Well, it's a high-risk situation when you leave your net empty, but they had no choice down this late in the contest.
Tampa appears to have guaranteed victory with that last-minute goal.
They were well on their way, Jim, but this gives them that little bit of extra breathing room.
Schuster jumps on the loose puck. Perry steals the pass. Schuster gets hold of the puck. Steven Stamkos returns it. McGinn in control now. Blocked. That's it. Tampa has tied the series.
It's not easy playing from behind. They did a great job to even things up.
Tonight's top star, number 31, Anderson. Tonight's second star, Tampa Bay number 30, Ben Beecham.
From Tampa, Florida, that's it for another one. This is Jim Houston with Craig Simpson. See you next time.